Hi everyone, welcome to Module 8, which is the final module of your Data Science 2103. This is the Efficiency Unleashed, Software Development, Project Management, and Business Intelligence. Now this module is basically a how real-world organizations actually ship work module. We're trying together, man, I am stumping on my tongue. We are tying together web technologies, wireless networks, system development, and project management. Because in the real world, analytics doesn't live in a vacuum. It lives inside systems, projects, deadlines, and a whole lot of security constraints. So what we'll be covering in this module, Module 8 includes 4 major areas. It is one of your largest modules, like Module 7. It does have 3 chapters instead of just the 2 that we had previously. We're going to be talking about Chapter 16, 17, and 18, which is Web Technologies, Wireless Networks, and System Development and Project Management. We're going to talk about Web 2.0, what is the key characteristics and how it supports business collaboration. Web 3.0, which is emerging trends and what they change and how online business works. We're going to be talking about wireless networks, benefits, categories, real business use cases, and the challenges, especially security in wireless environments and what mobile enterprise management looks like. In Chapter 17 and 18, we're going to be getting into the system development and project management side, the 7 phases of SDLC and why they matter. We're going to look at a high-level overview of software development methodologies and project management fundamentals. Why projects fail, how planning tools work, and what outsourcing looks like, including the benefits and trade-offs. Now, as always, your assignment is due by your pacing schedule. It is due on a Friday. It is due by 5 p.m. And always, late work is not accepted, so plan ahead. Now, you're going to be completing the pre-quiz, the lecture and reading, the case study, which is technology, accessibility, and ethics, the Power BI subject project, which is proper visualizations in Power BI, and your exam module. Now, key piece here, if you're in my 8-week course, not only do you have a module due, you're also going to have your final capstone module due this week as well, both due on Friday at 5 p.m. Now, your case study is about technology, accessibilities, and ethics. So I'm looking for practical reasonings. Why should organizations do? What are the trade-offs? What is ethical? What is legal? And what is simply responsible? Now, final reminders, grades are based on completion, accuracy, and quality. Effort alone doesn't guarantee points. And there are no curves or extra bonus beyond what's built into the course. This is the final module. You finish strong, you finish clean, and you don't create last-minute problems for yourself. If you need help, you reach out. And so with that, let's jump in and let's close out this course. Finish that last module, jump in your final exam, and be done with our semester, our class, with a grade that you're happy with. I hope you enjoyed this material. I hope you've learned a lot about everything from project management, a lot from the Power BI side. I hope you saw it as a connection where business and data analytics ties to real-world application, ties to theoretical ethical concerns, and ties to the future of employment and actual use inside your environments, no matter if it's medical, hospitals, businesses, entrepreneurship, whatever industry you're going into. Business and data analytics will support you being better at that section. Guys, I'm Logan Phillips. I hope you enjoyed the class. I've enjoyed having you in it. Finish this module and jump in your capstone, and then you're done with me, and you don't have to watch any more of my videos. Bye, guys.